Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you again with another unboxing of Black Diamond Car Audio. Loving this stuff. This is the DIA-1250.4. That's a 4-channel. Let's just get in and open this thing up. You get your manual. I've said on other videos, make sure these manuals do multiple amplifiers. So if you are checking it out, make sure you're on the right amplifier. As you can see already as I'm pulling out, this is really small. I love that these amps can be mounted pretty much anywhere. Looks like it comes with some screws probably to mount this. Let's just throw this over here. So I mean, I'm holding it in one hand. We'll go over the exact specs here shortly, but it's a small amp. Okay, so we got the Black Diamond logo right on top. This is the DIA-1250.4. One side here. So 4-channel, both sides will give you high pass, full range, and low pass. It's important. Most amps nowadays are coming full range. People doing a lot of loudspeakers, and they want to have that mid bass all the way up. You also have a gain control, and the frequency response is from 40 hertz to 400 hertz. And then you have your preset. But notice here too, there's a clipping light on each side, which is great. So when you're tuning it, you'll see it clipping. And that's on each side. So your left and right is going to have a clipping. All right. On the other side here, 4-gauge input for your power and ground, and then you have your remote turn on. And I've said it before, I like how they stagger the speaker terminals, makes it easier for installation. And you're gonna have your 4 channels right here. This amp is showing me bridged, so we'll see that in the specs, so we will be able to bridge this. And then you're gonna have your power light right there. I know I have a big hand, but that's still incredible. All right, so let's look at the specs, get to the numbers. All right, so as I said before, the manuals are printed for multiple amplifiers. For instance, this one says the DIA 1500.1, 2250.1, the 3550.1 D, and then it also does the 1150.2, the 1250.4, and the 1850.4. In the manual, you're gonna get, like we just went over, what is on there. You'll get your specs per amp, and then they give you even some simple directions on basic wiring for you newbies that have never done this before and watching YouTube videos on how to. It gives you simple wiring instructions. Okay, so for you guys that do this all the time, that's not going to be real interesting, but it's nice they do that, which kind of tells you it's an end user brand and model. So let's go to the 1250.4, and right here, this is a full range class AB amp. Ratings, output, RMS output at 2 ohms is 70 watts times 4 channels. RMS output at 4 ohms is 50 watts times 4 channel. And then RMS power output at 4 ohms bridged is 140 watts per channel. Okay, crossover range, we talked about 40 to 400 hertz. So you technically do not need an external crossover EQ, but always good to have one. Black Diamond does have a EQ, that's the EQ7. You can see that in past videos, and also look it up on the Black Diamond site or wherever you're buying it from. And then gain range is actually 0.2 to 6 volts. Pretty good there. Okay, crossover range is 40 to 400 hertz. Frequency range is 20 to 20 kilohertz. And the dimensions here, I'm going to convert it because they have it obviously in millimeters, but it is, length is 10.3 inches. Width is only 5.52, and the height is only 1.9. So super small, super small. So if you need a good 4-channel, you can either be running your full range loudspeakers, or you can be running your coaxials or a component set and a door. This is the amp for you. You can buy this at blackdiamondco.us and just search DIA-1250.4. I'm Big Jeff, signing off with another unboxing video. I'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe. There's going to be a button somewhere. Like the video, and hey, share it out.